Finance for Beginners, your full starter package to money mastery. If you're just starting your financial journey, things can feel confusing fast: budgets, savings, investing, credit, debt, it's a lot. But here's the truth: personal finance is not about being rich. It's about building systems that make sure your money works for you, not against you. In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to give you a complete beginner finance starter package: simple, practical, and realistic steps you can start today. No jargon. No hype. Just what actually works. Number 1. Money mindset. Before anything else, you need the right foundation: your money mindset. Most financial problems don't come from low income, they come from lack of structure. Here are 3 rules to adopt immediately. First, pay yourself first. Before bills, before spending, set aside savings. Second, don't confuse income with wealth. A high salary doesn't matter if you spend everything you earn. Third, control is better than motivation. Don't rely on discipline alone. Build systems that automate good decisions. Number 2, build your basic money system. Now let's build your basic money system, the foundation of your finances. You only need 3 accounts to start: income account, where your salary or money arrives; spending account, for daily expenses; savings account, completely separate, never touched casually. Now apply the 50/30/20 rule. 1. 50% needs: food, rent, transport. 2. 30% wants: entertainment, lifestyle. 3. 20% savings or debt repayment. If you're struggling financially, even starting with 10% savings is powerful. The key is consistency, not perfection. Number 3, emergency fund. If there's one thing that protects you from financial stress, it's this: an emergency fund. This is money you do not invest. You do not spend unless something unexpected happens. Examples: medical emergencies, job loss, urgent repairs. Your goal: start with 1 month of expenses, then grow to 3 to 6 months. Even $10 or $20 a week builds this over time. Without an emergency fund, every problem becomes a financial crisis. With it, most problems become manageable inconveniences. Number 4, debt strategy. If you have debt, especially high-interest debt, this is your priority. Not investing. Not luxury spending. Debt first. 2 simple methods. 1. Avalanche method: pay highest interest debt first. Saves more money long term. 2. Snowball method: pay smallest debt first. Builds motivation faster. Choose one and stick to it. Also avoid adding new debt while you're paying it off. This is where most people get stuck. Number 5, beginner investing. Now let's talk about investing, the part most beginners overcomplicate. You don't need to pick stocks. You don't need to predict the market. Start simple. 1. Index funds or ETFs. These spread your money across many companies. 2. Long-term mindset: invest for years, not weeks. 3. Consistency over timing: invest small amounts regularly instead of waiting for the perfect moment. The biggest beginner mistake is waiting too long to start. Time in the market beats timing the market. Even small investments grow significantly over time thanks to compounding. Number 7, your full finance starter pack. Let's summarize your full starter package: a simple 3-account system, a 50/30/20 budget structure, emergency fund, start small, build over time, debt repayment plan, avalanche or snowball, beginner investing in index funds, monthly financial review routine. If you do only these 6 things consistently, you will already be ahead of most people financially. Not because it's complicated, but because it's consistent. Finally, finance isn't about perfection. It's about direction. Start simple. Stay consistent. Let time do the heavy lifting. And remember, the best time to fix your finances was yesterday. The second best time is today. Subscribe Wisdom Tube for more similar financial information, like and share.